This is a recap of day one of the Karmelo Anthony murder trial, which occurred on June 4th, 2026. I am uploading this on June 5th because I got really busy. I am so sorry. As of June 3rd, they had the final jury officially seated. There were 12 jurors and 6 alternates. They began with a pool of 589 prospective jurors, so they definitely narrowed it down. The major headline from that day is that no black jurors were selected. In fact, CBS is reporting that all qualified black jurors were dismissed per the prosecution. They used their remaining strikes. The defense objected to that, and the judge overruled the objection. Opening statements began on June 4th, and the prosecution's framing was crystal clear. This is murder, not self-defense. The prosecutor told the jurors that Anthony, quote, buried a knife into Austin Metcalf's heart and called the killing unjustified and senseless, also stating that the case, quote, has nothing to do with race. It is also reported that the prosecutors told the jurors that there would be video and witness testimony that would tell the story. The defense's framing was equally clear, describing fear, chaos, and split-second self-defense. The defense attorney described Karmelo as a student athlete and argued that Austin Metcalf was the one to initiate physical contact after Anthony told him not to touch him. The defense also highlighted a difference in size between Anthony and Austin, stating that Anthony was around 5'8" and 130 pounds, while Austin and his twin brother Hunter were around 6'1" and 215 pounds. Next, the jurors watched enhanced surveillance video. So it was reported that the enhanced videos have not been publicly released, and according to the defense cross-examination of the video analyst, the footage still does not clearly show exactly what happened under the tent. The video analyst agreed that you could not tell from the footage when an argument started or stopped. The state called a video analyst from the Tarrant County District Attorney's Office first. Jurors were shown the stadium, students under the Memorial High tent, pushing under the tent around the 10 a.m. timestamp, people scattering, and Anthony running out of the stadium less than a minute after the stabbing. Memorial High School head track coach Rob Starr testified that the tents at track meets are treated like team spaces. He also testified that weapons are not allowed, quote, in any shape, form, or fashion, and that students sign a code of conduct that includes not bringing weapons. Starr gave emotional testimony about finding Austin on the ground with a chest wound. He testified that Hunter Metcalf yelled for him to do something, and that Anthony said he put his hands on me after Starr approached him. Memorial athletic trainer Tiffany Whitaker also testified about life-saving efforts. She said she saw Metcalf turning blue, began rescue breaths, and others performed chest compressions until paramedics arrived. On cross, she said that when she saw Anthony, he was running and people were chasing him. Just a quick reminder, he has been charged with first-degree felony murder in the state of Texas. This is not a capital murder case, so the death penalty and life without parole is not on the table. If he is convicted, he is looking at 5 to 99 years in prison. I will try to keep up to date with everything that's going on. I'm really busy this week, but I will do my best to be on time with these trial updates. I know that some of y'all are really following along. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. If not, I'll catch you in the next one.